Buying a new car is exciting, sorting out the tax on it often isn't quite so exciting. Fringe Benefit Tax, or FBT, can be hefty if it's not managed properly, if it's not planned for, and if it's not controlled. But with a little bit of planning, we can get a handle on your liability and manage it as best as possible. What this means is better cash flow for your business and less unexpected surprises. My name's Hamish and I'm a director here at IIF Chartered Accountants. We're focused on planning proactive and plain English advice to help you with the day-to-day questions, like how much FBT am I going to pay on my new vehicle. If you've watched our previous video on financing options for cars, then hopefully you've gone out and you bought something with an appropriate finance structure. It's now time to decide what ownership structure you put in place. For most people, they end up putting it in their company, which means they're entitled to claim 100% of the running costs of the car for both income tax and GST. They're also able to claim the GST on the car up front, and they're also able to depreciate the car over time. The downside, though, of being able to claim all these expenses is that you need to pay Fringe Benefit Tax. If we look at the cost of the Fringe Benefit Tax over time, what we see is that it's relatively consistent. What we also see, though, is that the benefits you receive from paying that FBT drop as the depreciation on the car reduces. So for a period where your tax saving here is more than the Fringe Benefit Tax, then you're in the money by that amount and it's worthwhile having the car in the company. After that point, though, the Fringe Benefit Tax cost is higher than the tax benefits you receive from it. So at that point we need to think about getting the car out of the company. Ultimately, the Fringe Benefit Tax you pay depends on a few factors, such as the value of the car, how much you're going to sell it for later on down the track, your personal use, whether you've got other vehicles that you've got for personal driving, your wage, a whole bunch of factors which can significantly influence the amount of the Fringe Benefit Tax you have to pay. So for a fixed price, we're happy to evaluate the FBT structure in your business. So if that's something you're interested in, then feel free to get in touch and we can help you out with that. Alternatively, check out our other videos on working capital, which can help you manage the FBT bill when it does turn up from the IRD. Thanks for watching.